In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero training how to import CSV file bank statement in Xero 5 minutes. Before we begin, make sure you've downloaded a CSV version of your bank statement from your online banking. Xero accepts CSV files, and it's best if your file has clear columns for date, amount, and description or reference. Keep amounts as plain numbers without currency symbols. Use negative values for money out and positive for money in, and avoid extra columns like running balances. If your bank lets you choose a date format, pick a consistent one such as day, month, year, or month, day, year. Start by going to the Xero login page, entering your email and password, and clicking login. If you're asked for authentication, just complete your usual verification. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, look to the top menu, open accounting, and select bank accounts. This takes you to a list of all the bank accounts you've set up in Xero. Find the bank account you want to update, then open the Manage Account menu for that account. Choose Import a Statement. This is the feature that lets you bring in transactions when a direct bank feed isn't available or you're catching up historical data. On the import screen, click Select CSV File. Browse to the CSV you prepared and select it. Before you proceed, a quick tip. Check that the account currency in Xero matches the currency of your CSV, and make sure your CSV doesn't include headings like total rows or blank lines, as these can cause upload errors. After selecting your file, click Next to continue. Xero will read the file and align your columns. If your CSV was set up with clear date, amount, and description fields, the preview should look clean and ready. At this point, Xero is preparing these transactions so you can reconcile them against your invoices, bills, or spend/receive money items later on. A few troubleshooting tips if something doesn't look right. If the dates appear jumbled, re-export your CSV with a consistent date format. If amounts seem flipped, check that money out is shown with a minus sign. And if you see an error about the file type or encoding, resave the file as a standard CSV in UTF-8 without special characters or extra commas inside descriptions. And that's the process. You've logged in, navigated to your bank accounts, chosen Import a Statement, selected your CSV, and moved forward with Next. With a clean file, the upload is quick and sets you up for smooth reconciliation.